How to delete your Grindr account. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Grindr account. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After that, you'll come to the browse section like this. Now in order to delete your account, tap on the profile on the top left. Then after, go to settings from the bottom. As you enter settings, you'll find the deactivate option under account section. Tap on it. Then after, you'll get the option to delete your account at the bottom. Tap on delete account. Furthermore, you can select the reason why you are trying to delete your account or simply skip it. Then after, it will ask you if you want to back up your data or not. Since you are trying to delete your account, you might not want to back up data. So simply tap on no thanks. After that, it will ask you if you want to log out instead of deleting. However, tap on delete. Then after, you'll have to confirm the process by tapping on delete account once again. As you do that, your account will be permanently deleted and you will be logged out of your account. Now when you try to log in, you won't be able to log into your account. So in this way, you can easily delete your Grindr account. That's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.